Hey there guys, I'm back again, and today it is time to unbox the very last Lookfantastic box. I can't even pronounce it. We're off to a great start. The box is very Christmassy, of course, with the little balls that should be in the tree. But before I get started, let me explain the last video that I made. As y'all know, behind me is the Christmas tree, and this Christmas tree is actually in the place where I used to film. I used to film against that wall over there, and last time I just used my ring light, not these two lights, and the lighting was horrible, which was clearly visible on that little film. Sorry for that. I brought my other two lights with me, but in the viewfinder I can still see myself being completely whitewashed out. And holy cow, I just now realized that I put on way too much baking over here, because holy cow, I got like these white ski glass goggle thing going on. Ah, shoot. Okay. Anyway, today I'm in the same dress again, kind of similar hair, because, again, what's up with this? I don't know. But today we're celebrating Sinterklaas with my family. Last week it was my boyfriend's, now it's mine, so kind of wearing the same dress. I bought it, so just shush, okay? Just live with it. Anyway, we're off to unbox the box. Okay, opening up the lid, it says, "At Christmas all roads lead home." I've just now realized that no, they don't. For Chris Rea, he's driving home for Christmas since like '82, so his road does not lead home, I can assure you. Okay, so let's move on to the booklet, and we have the Elle magazine right here, which y'all know I don't read, so I'm just gonna place it there. Okay, ooh, we got pink paper, which I'm gonna rip to shreds, as y'all know. And then, ooh, I see really cool stuff in here. Okay. This is the inside of the last Lookfantastic box of 2019. Let's grab the first and probably the best, in my opinion, item in here, which are the lashes from Allure London. It's the Fluttery Light Lashes number 117, light and wispy, with adhesive, and this is just awesome. I love it. I'm actually wearing fake lashes today. Not complete lashes like this, but just like singular lashes. I love this, and this, for all the boxes out there, lashes, it's like a must in a Christmas box. Lashes. We need to get lashes. Okay, come on. We can never have enough lashes. I feel like, especially during Christmas season, we need some lashes. Give us some lashes. Okay, so let's see in the little booklet. It's over here. It's from Allure, like I said, the textured lashes number 117, and they're worth £5.06. Okay, let me just grab my little drink here. Got some little energy drink going on. I want to say need to stay hydrated, but it's got caffeine in here, so I'm dehydrating myself, but okay. Let's move on. Ooh, something big. From Sleek. It's the Eye Divine mineral-based eyeshadow palette. Let me just get it out of the little, come on, open up. Here we go. Beautiful, beautiful palette. It's an eyeshadow palette, clearly. Let's open this little puppy up. Oh my God, they're beautiful. Okay, so these are, there we go. Can you guys see that? I'm sorry for the mirror if I'm blinding y'all, but this is what the colors look like. They're beautiful. They're absolutely gorgeous. And you know what I'm actually going to do, since Christmas is very close? Oh, over here is a little thing which actually says the names, like Toast, Top, Noir, Mineral Earth, you name it. They're very earth tones. And I'm actually not going to keep this for myself. I'm actually going to put this in an extra Christmas present for my sister, making like a little beauty bag for her. And girl, she does not have a lot of makeup, and she needs to up her makeup game, so she's going to get some makeup, okay? So I know if she's watching, she saw one of her presents, but it's okay. I'm going to pass this along to my sister. And also for the fact that I already have so many of these beautiful colors in my eyeshadow palettes as we speak. So I'm definitely like set when it comes to eyeshadow. Let's move on. It's over here. It's a Sleek Eye Divine palette. Oh Natural, Oh So Special, or Good Night Sweetheart. Oh, Oh, I got Au Natural 601, and it costs $8.99. Okay, moving on to your Eye-Mazing. Okay, our precision brush tip delivers single stroke carbon black color to instant accentuate your eyes. Features white lash, a conditioning tripeptide complex. Wow, can't read, sorry. This is from Ico London. It's the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner plus White Lash Travel Size. Oh, okay, this is an eyeliner. And y'all know I love me some good liquid eyeliners. I don't like these pencil, I'm saying it wrong. I like pencil eyeliners as well, but I don't like these like stick, you know what? Let me just explain when I get it out of the package. I have no idea how to explain this to y'all. But these kind of eyeliners I don't like. And again, I know my sister loves them. She absolutely loves these. So there we go. See? So I'm going to give this to my sister again. I'm not going to swatch it now and see if it bleeds because finally I have clean hands and we're like literally leaving as soon as I shut off the camera. So I don't want to wash my hands all over again. So I'm going to put this in here and then again give this as well as the little palette in that satchel for Christmas for my sister. Wow. My sister is scoring big here in this box. It's from Ico, the Black Magic Liner, and it's worth £9. Okay, so let's move on to something, what's this, from Bumble and Bumble, probably for your hair. BLS? I'm not really sure what it says over here. It's Hairdresser's Invisible Oil. Oh, Heat/UV Protective Primer. Oh, this is awesome because I literally yesterday washed my hair and I am out of heat protective spray. So I needed another heat protection. I actually put it on my grocery list to buy. So I got this right now. So this is awesome. I can like prolong the buying. Maybe up until next year. This is what that little sucker looks like. It's very cute. It's small. It's clearly not a full size. It's spray on damp or dry hair, comb through and style. Yeah, it's a primer. Definitely a heat protective spray. Awesome. Oh, by the way, this liner here was a travel size as well. It's not a full size. Where's the little booklet? The booklet's over here. Let's see. In the booklet, oh, it's right over here. Bumble and Bumble, Invisible... Okay, no, again. Invisible Oil Heat/UV Protective Primer, 30 milliliters, and the worth is £5. And this, oh yeah, this is 30 milliliters. So, wow, this is worth £5? That's like, what, €7? That's actually quite a lot. Ooh. I cannot wait to test this fella out. Okay, moving along to, what's this? Real Chemistry Luminous 3-Minute Peel. For instantly smoother, brighter, softer skin, like a scrub peel or directions. This is not a mask. The peel is a clear gel. Peel upper half of face and then start over and peel lower half of face. Why can't I just peel my whole face? What the hell? Spread gel thinly over damp skin with damp hands, perhaps in the shower, as a small amount of water is required for proper activation. Immediately begin massaging the entire area in circular motion. Apply light to medium pressure to ensure proper contact, but do not rub your skin. Okay. Within 15 to 20 seconds, solids should form under the fingertips. The solids you feel are a combination of the peel and the epidermal tissue. Oh, I see. Okay. The peel is applied as a gel and removes as small solids after having combined with the dead tissue. Massage for 2 to 3 minutes. That's a long massage. To ensure that all of the product has combined with as much dead skin as possible and that no peel has been wasted. Wash face, rinse, and then begin 2.5. What? Wait a minute. Wash face, rinse, and begin second half of face. Peel once per week for normal skin, or as often as 3 times weekly to prevent acne. I am not really sure why I need to do my upper face and then my lower face and why I just can't do my entire face, but I have to read in the booklet, whatever. Anyway, this is what that fellow looks like, and clearly this is a scrub in my opinion. Let's see. It's the first one. It's from Real Chemistry. Like I said, luminous 3-minute peel, 20 milliliters. So this clearly, yeah, this is clearly not a full size, and it costs, the worth is $19.88. So I'm just gonna assume that the big fella is $19.88 because I cannot imagine paying almost 20 pounds for this smaller amount. Like, there is just no way. Okay, last item I think in the box is, again, a travel size. What's up with the travel sizes? We only received one, I feel like 2 actual full sizes, and the rest was travel, which kind of sucks as the last box of the year, like I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, let's see in the booklet what it is. It is over here. Yes, it is. I didn't even show you guys. Let's see. It is Platinum Firm and Lift Cream, 10 milliliters. It's quite small. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys are able to even see anything whatsoever ever. But over here it says Platinum Firm and Lift Cream, 10 milliliters, and the worth is 9 pounds. Hello, 9 pounds. Like, I just can't. Okay, you guys, that is it for the last Look Fantastic box of 2019. Looking at the products over here, would I say this is a Christmas box? Not necessarily Christmas box. It's definitely not their best box from the year, that's for sure, but it is a very good box. I love the palette. I love the fact that we got lashes. Like, those 2 items, well, actually I'm lying now, aren't I? I'm like conducting, no. Let me start over. It is a Christmas box. Why? Because of the lashes. We received a lashes and a liner. We received a palette, and we received something for our hair, and 2 other products like as well. But basically that lashes and a palette. Hello. I mean, Christmas box, right? So yeah, I guess it kind of is a Christmas box. I guess I did, however, expect a little more glitter. Like I said, not the best box of the year, which always kind of bums me out. I feel like the December boxes should be the best boxes of the entire year. I honest to God feel that because of Christmas and the whole holidays, New Year's, you name it. This is like the sparkle month, okay? We need lashes, we need sparkles, and we need to go out with a bang, literally, because that's what we're gonna do on New Year's Eve, right? Anyway, I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this month's box? And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!